Guys, so upon request, I'll do this extra tutorial for you. It's a zoom volume for a top-down platformer game. So, as you can see, it zooms in the further I walk into, and I can like go in and out, and it will keep doing that. So, for example, you can either have one of this volume somewhere in your area, or you can have overlapping volumes just like this. So come and select. So this is the one and this is the overlapping one, so they won't mess up with each other. So let's start. There are a couple of things you need to have. So camera like that. Now the field of view is 90. This is the default we're going to use. So instead of having an extra variable called default FOV, we'll just use 90. So this is our zoom volume. It's a simple box collision with overlap only pawn, because we just want to overlap our character with a begin overlap and an end overlap. Now every zoom volume actor has the body, and the FOV, which is the target one, we'll just set it to 90 by default. But as you can see, this one is FOV of, come on, this one is an FOV of 80, the next one is 70, and the last one is 60. So basically we want to keep an array of references on our third person character, which is the overlapped zoom volumes, and yeah, keep track of how many and which zoom volumes we interact with. So we do that by adding and removing from our third person character overlapped zoom volumes array. Now aside from that, we're going to go back here, just ignore these variables, I was doing stupid stuff previously. This is the tick method. So we just set our target FOV to the default, which is 90, and then we check for the biggest, the smallest FOV actually. So let me change that, it can be a little bit confusing. So because the smallest FOV, biggest zoom is the smallest FOV, so that's due to optics, so you should probably know that. We just loop through all the values on the array. We print them as well because we want to be able to debug it in case of errors, and we set our target FOV to the smallest FOV, that means the biggest zoom. Now whenever our target FOV is different than our current field of view of the camera, we just do a simple lerp from the field of view of the camera to the target FOV with an alpha of get world delta seconds, and then we just set the camera's field of view. You can use using functions on this one. So for example, x squared, maybe it's smoother for you, but a linear is pretty much the best interpolation for me actually, and it's easy to use, doesn't require much castle, easy to compute. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So this function, if this doesn't run and it the array is empty and goes straight and completed, it will use our default FOV, which is 90. You can use this, you can use my function library on this thing, so it's like 2 nodes instead of 150 different nodes. You just get the max value of the actor. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I think a guy called Derek suggested it, so there you go. See ya. Oh, quad, I need to close this.